Present tense. English grammar quiz. Try to answer 10 questions. 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video to think. Let us know your score in the comments. Let's begin. Are you ready? 1. Correct option is A. Jane doesn't play volleyball every Sunday. 2. Correct option is B. We go to school by bus. 3. Correct option is C. I don't eat hamburger. 4. Correct option is B. It is a beautiful car. 5. Correct option is A. He has got a blue bike but it is broken. 6. Correct option is C. My brother lives in a crowded street. 7. Correct option is C. Angelina is so lazy. She doesn't study enough, and she fails. 8. Correct option is A. Where does your grandfather live? 9. Correct option is B. Adam never eats fast food because it's unhealthy. 10. Correct option is B. I live in New York. Where do you live? Let us know your quiz result in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our video.